Hey, awesome learners! Welcome back to Math Practice. Today we're going to learn how to add and subtract like fractions. And I promise it's easier than you think. Let's start with like fractions. That means the bottom numbers or denominators are the same. Here's an example. 1/4 plus 2/4. The denominators are both 4. So all we do is add the top numbers, the numerators. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So 1/4 plus 2/4 equals 3/4. Think of it like pizza. If you have one slice of pizza out of 4 and then get two more slices out of 4, now you have 3 out of 4 slices. Here's another example. Let's add 4 over 10 and 3 over 10. Since the denominators are the same, we just add the numerators. 4 plus 3 equals 7, and we keep the denominator, 10. Can you guess the answer? That's right, it's 7 over 10. And since this fraction is already in its simplest form, that's our final answer. Let's do another one. Try adding 8 over 15 and 2 over 15. Easy, right? Just add the numerators. 8 plus 2 equals 10, and keep the denominator, 15. So we get 10 over 15. But wait, can we simplify this? Yes, both 10 and 15 are divisible by 5. Let's divide both the numerator and the denominator by 5. 10 divided by 5 equals 2, and 15 divided by 5 equals 3. So the simplest form is 2 over 3. Excellent! Now let's talk about subtracting like fractions. It's just like adding, but instead of adding the numerators, we subtract them. Let's try 8 over 15 minus 4 over 15. Just subtract the numerators. 8 minus 4 equals 4, and keep the denominator, 15. The answer is 4 over 15. Great job! Here's another one for practice. What is 16 over 24 minus 12 over 24? Let's subtract 16 minus 12. That's equal to 4. And we keep the denominator, 24. So we get 4 over 24. But we're not done yet. We need to simplify. Both 4 and 24 can be divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 24 divided by 4 is 6. So the simplest form is 1 over 6. Now it's your turn to test your skills. Are you ready? Let's see if you can solve these problems by adding and subtracting like fractions. You can grab a pen and paper or open a notepad app to write down your answers. Take your time and let's try. All finished? I have a feeling you nailed every single one. You're doing an amazing job. Keep up the great work. If you had fun learning today, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more math fun. See you next time on our math practice. Bye!